Holiday 2025, Nike delivers a kids-exclusive treat with the Dunklo Abominable Snowman, a whimsical nod to winter legends. Wrapped entirely in shaggy light blue faux fur, the design captures yeti-inspired coziness, while teal leather swooshes and heel tabs add sharp contrast. Frosty details extend to the tongue tags, lining, and the light blue midsole and outsole, keeping the icy theme consistent. Hidden on the reverse tongue tag is the playful message "Make your own tracks," inviting snowy escapades. Each pair comes with a plush snowman keychain clutching a mini swoosh, enhancing its collectible charm. Crafted for both warmth and style, the Dunk blends creative textures with storytelling magic. Limited in sizing and releasing via Nike.com, it's a standout for seasonal gifting. Perfectly aligned with festive vibes, this playful silhouette is designed to bring joy to young sneaker fans while adding a unique, winter-ready piece to their holiday rotation.